What's up?
Hey, are you that gold?
Nah. I'm MotoBroo.
You MotoBroo?
Yeah.
Like for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and y'all remember the homie from Drama at the lot in the last video. We flipping out here. There's so many riders, as you can tell. Like, today is an epic day. You do not want to miss this video. You seen the video? That crazy, right? Let's go! Damn. Yeah. The Polaroid hit him, or this one. It ran into him. This thing, the UTV. It hit him. Nah, it's just stitches, I think. Hey, I heard you wanted the smoke. Oh my God. Bro! I know, that was close. Y'all about to hit some trails or?
Yeah. All of it.
Oh, everyone? Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, you already know me in the back.
Stay in the back.
Yeah. Bro, we got a Can-Am with us. Oh Lord. This is gonna be, bro, look at everyone. Oh no. This is chaos, bro. What am I doing, dude? This is chaos. Bro, look how many riders are on the trail.
Yeah, I raced this other kid.
It's not gonna work. Oh, it's too fast. Let's go. You're killing it.
I'm trying to slow down though. I'm trying to learn how to slow down.
Yeah, bring it.
So I don't like go so fast so I can cruise.
You got you know the rear brake? You be pushing it?
I'm learning it.
Yeah, because once you go too far, you know it's gonna.
Yeah, you gonna hit the back brake.
Yeah.
Come back down.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to cruise.
Yeah. Woo! He's slowing it down. Hanging back on that quad, bro. What's good, bro? Yeah, good, dude. Hella people out here.
What? You see the outfit?
Yeah, you got the drip on. Homie hitting a crazy daily donut right here. Still ripping it. Yes, sir. Woo, coming in hot. God damn. Bro, let's go. The young shredder in the building. Let's see some work. Bro, homie's 11 years old, dude. 11 years old, bro. Are you kidding me? perfect, bro. And he freaking shreds on that little 150. Yes, sir! That's what we're talking about. Put in that work, boy. Oh, you hear that tune game? Oh my God, bro, they're so close. And they're going crazy. Oh. Bro, we got a slam dirt bike over here. This is about to be crazy. I'm about to pull back up. This thing's crazy. Is it a 450 stock or is it big bore?
That's a 450 stock.
Nice.
I done did a little work to it though.
Yeah, okay. I've never seen.
Can't get out on first gear like that.
Huh?
First gear ain't working for me. I gotta put it in second.
Ah. I've never seen it so low, like a dirt bike so low.
I'm racing on the track.
Ah.
I watched every single last one of your videos.
Hey, I appreciate that. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo, coaster. Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Remember to stay motivated. We're posting flipping bangers. We got merch in the description down below. Remember, we vibing. Huh?
How do you swerve?
Just practice, man. But yeah, stay motivated. I freaking love y'all. Say peace to them. Peace.